Did you know that the average student graduates with over $30,000 in debt? Imagine starting your adult life already burdened with financial stress. But what if I told you there are practical ways to make money as a student right now without compromising your studies? In this video, I'll share proven strategies that can help you earn, save, and even invest while you're still in school. Whether you're looking for quick cash or building a foundation for long-term wealth, I've got you covered. Stick around, and let's transform your student years into a time of financial growth. Being a student often means juggling tight schedules, limited resources, and constant pressure to perform academically. But let's face it, financial struggles amplify everything. Perhaps you felt the frustration of turning down outings with friends or worrying about affording basic necessities like textbooks or rent. The truth is, most students don't realize the financial opportunities available to them. You're not alone if you've been overwhelmed trying to figure out how to balance earning money with your studies. Today, we'll tackle this challenge together by exploring actionable ways you can start making money no matter your major or schedule. 1. Why students need to think about earning early. Starting to earn money during your student years isn't just about having extra cash. It's about cultivating discipline, independence, and skills that will benefit you for life. When you're earning, even modestly, you learn to value your time and prioritize effectively. This mindset can set you apart from peers who wait until graduation to figure out their finances. For instance, imagine allocating just $50 per month into a savings account. Over 4 years, you'd have $2,400 a safety net that can prevent you from relying on credit cards in emergencies. Begin by assessing your free time and choosing an earning method that doesn't disrupt your studies. The earlier you start, the sooner you build habits that lead to long-term success. 2. The power of online opportunities for students. The internet has revolutionized how students can make money. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Etsy allow you to monetize skills from graphic design to crafting unique products. For example, if you're good at creating logos, a single project could earn you anywhere from $50 to $300. One student I know made $1,000 in a single semester by selling print-on-demand t-shirts online. The beauty of these platforms is that they're flexible. You can work at your pace, accommodating your academic workload. Start by creating a simple profile highlighting your skills and offering a service you can deliver consistently. Over time, this could even become a primary source of income. 3. Leveraging your skills and hobbies. Your talents and passions are often untapped gold mines. Are you fluent in another language? Offer tutoring services to classmates or even online learners through platforms like Italki. Love photography? Sell your photos on sites like Shutterstock. Take Emily, for example, a student who turned her hobby of crocheting into a small business. She started by selling handmade keychains to her peers and eventually opened an online store. Within a year, she was earning enough to cover her rent. The key is to identify what you enjoy doing and figure out how to turn it into a product or service people are willing to pay for. 4. Passive income streams for students. Passive income might sound too good to be true, but it's accessible even for students. For example, you could create digital products like ebooks or design templates and sell them on platforms like Gumroad. Once uploaded, these products can generate income repeatedly with minimal effort. Another option is affiliate marketing. Sign up for programs like Amazon Associates, share product links on your social media or blog, and earn a commission every time someone makes a purchase through your link. While these methods require an initial investment of time, the long-term payoff can be substantial. 5. Side hustles that fit a student's schedule. Not every earning opportunity requires advanced skills. Flexible side hustles like food delivery, dog walking, or babysitting are excellent for students. They allow you to work on your terms, fitting in jobs between classes or on weekends. For example, signing up with DoorDash or Rover can earn you $100 in just a few hours. These gigs also offer the added benefit of keeping you active and engaged. The secret to maximizing these opportunities is consistency. Set a goal to work a few hours each week and save a portion of what you earn. 6. Utilizing campus resources for financial growth. Universities often provide hidden opportunities for students to earn. Many campuses have tutoring centers where you can get paid to help peers in subjects you excel at. Alternatively, consider joining a research project with a professor, which often comes with a stipend. Another idea is starting a campus-based business. For instance, offering laundry services or renting out dorm storage during breaks can be lucrative. By tapping into the needs of your fellow students, you'll find creative ways to generate income right where you are. 7. Internships and part-time jobs with long-term potential. Internships are more than just resume boosters. They can lead to well-paying roles post-graduation. Many companies offer paid internships that provide valuable work experience and networking opportunities. For example, a summer internship at a tech company might pay $20 an hour while equipping you with in-demand skills. To get started, visit your school's career center and attend job fairs. The connections you build during internships can open doors to future opportunities, making this one of the most impactful ways to earn as a student. 8. The importance of financial literacy. Earning money is only half the battle. Learning to manage it effectively is just as crucial. Use budgeting apps like Mint to track your spending and set financial goals. Start building an emergency fund. Even $10 a week can grow into a meaningful safety net over time. Additionally, educate yourself about investing. Platforms like Robinhood or Acorns allow you to start small, investing as little as $5. By understanding the basics of saving and investing early, you'll set yourself up for financial independence in the years to come. 9. Common mistakes students make when trying to earn money. It's easy to fall into traps when you're new to earning. Overworking at the expense of your studies is a common mistake. Balance is key. Prioritize your academics while dedicating specific hours to your side hustles. Another pitfall is falling for scams. Be cautious of get-rich-quick schemes or pyramid opportunities that seem too good to be true. Always research thoroughly before committing to any opportunity. By avoiding these mistakes, you'll protect your time and hard-earned money. The time to take action is now. Every day you delay is another missed opportunity to build financial independence. Remember, small steps today lead to significant changes tomorrow. As the saying goes, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. You have the tools and knowledge. All that's left is the commitment to start. Don't wait for the perfect moment, create it. If these tips inspired you, hit the like button and subscribe for more actionable advice. Leave a comment sharing which idea you'll try first. And don't forget to check the description for links to useful resources. Since you stayed until the end, YouTube has chosen the perfect next video for you. It's right here on the screen. Click it and continue your journey to financial freedom. See you there.